Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we are working on our At the Zoo series where we're drawing animals from the letters A to Z. And today's letter is the letter
C.
We're gonna draw a cheetah. A cheetah is like a big cat that has spots all over and it runs really fast, okay? So grab your paper, grab a marker, pencil, pen, whatever you have, and let's get started. We're gonna start somewhere over here and work on the head of the cheetah. So what we'll do is we'll start with a little arch up here for the head. So I'll make my arch a little bit better. There we go. Just make little arch. I would say like right there so you have room. Little arch for the head. And then we're gonna draw two arches for the ears. So I'll make one like that on the right side and one like that on the left. Okay, now that we have the top of our head, let's work on the bottom of the head, okay? So for that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a U shape, but it's gonna be kind of like a UV shape. So what we'll do is we'll start on one side. I'm gonna start on, let's start on the right. So I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna go out a little bit to the right and then work my way down towards the left. And I'll do the same thing on the left side, but I'll let you start first. Yep, and then down. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll go to the left and then go down towards the right. Ta-da, now we have our head, okay? Now let's work on a little bit more details. Let's make little shapes for the inner part of the ear. So we'll go like that for the right ear. And we'll do the same thing, make this line on the left side and a curve connecting it for the left ear. Okay. And then let's give our cheetah a face. So let's have eyes, which are just two curves. And then some eyelashes going up like that. Okay. And then for the nose, we're gonna make a line in the middle like that. And then we're gonna make a curve, like a U shape, like that. And then for the mouth, we're gonna make a curve going to the right and a curve going to the left. Let's give it just a little eyebrow, which is just two little arches on the top like that. And then how about we also add a little bit of hair, so we'll make some lines on the top like that. And then what's another thing that cheetahs have and cats have? They have
whiskers.
They have what?
Whiskers.
Whiskers. So for the whiskers, we'll just make these long lines that go out like that on the right side. And we'll do the same thing on the left. Okay, now we're gonna work on the body of our cheetah. I'm gonna start on the top area here, and then we're gonna work our way down. So for the top, we're gonna start somewhere down here on the bottom left cheek of the cheetah. And what, and what we'll do is we'll make a line that's gonna curve down, and then curve up, and then curve down, and it's gonna go up like this. So it's gonna be like the body.
That's gonna be hard.
I know, it's a little tricky. So we're gonna go
from here
down, yeah, curve down a little bit and then go straight towards the left and then come up a little bit and then keep going, keep going, keep going, and then go down and then go up. Make like a backwards S shape. That one's kind of tricky.
Confusing.
That was a little confusing. So you can just watch how we did it. You just can make this curvy line and go up.
You can pause it everything.
Yeah, and you can pause if this was a little too fast for you, okay? Now we're gonna work on the bottom of the body. So we'll start down here where the chin is, and we'll make a curve that goes down this way. The chin is like right here, so we'll be start from the right side of the chin. And we'll make a curve.
Where's the right side of the chin?
That's like that. So make a curve going like this.
Good thing I'm
Towards the,
for myself.
go down first, down, 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 down. And then now what we'll do is we'll find the other part of the chin, the left side of the chin, so right here, and we'll make a line, a curvy line that goes down, it connects down here, and it keeps going down. So it's gonna be like one of the legs. So watch. Go down, like that.
From here?
So from the, yeah, and then curve, down, yeah, beautiful. Okay, so then what we'll do next is we'll draw the underbelly part right here.
It's an underbelly.
It's the bottom of the belly. So we're gonna go down here, and I'm gonna just move my paper so it's easier for me. And I'm not gonna start like right here. I'm gonna make a little bit of space here because this is the leg of the cheetah. And we'll start here and we'll do like this curve that goes like that.
That's a big curve.
Like that. So start, yeah, exactly. Somewhere right there, hold your paper so it doesn't move, and then make a curve. Okay, so we have that. Okay, let's go ahead and grab this point that we made and bring it down a little bit like that. A little bit lower than the first line that we made. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit, is I'm gonna make the feet of the cheetah. So I'll make this curve that goes like that. So we'll now come out somewhere right here, and we'll make a curvy line that goes like that. About the same length as this one, so the same length. Yeah. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. We'll start somewhere over here, about the same distance from here to here. We'll have the same distance here. I'll make a curvy line that goes down like that. That's the other leg. And go down all the way, all the way. You got it. And then we'll do the same thing here. We'll make that curve, that backwards C shape for the foot of the cheetah.
And C is for cheetah.
Exactly. We're gonna continue this on. We're gonna work a little bit more on this belly part right here. What we'll do is we'll make a curve, and it'll go up and like that. So just connect these two parts together like that. You see how I went up and then down? Oops, made a smear. So
Smears happen sometimes.
yeah, smears happen, and that's okay. Okay, looks great.
Oh yeah, I don't have any smears.
So that's the belly, okay? And what we'll do now is we'll continue, see how this curve goes and meets here. We'll continue going down.
Started your curve.
I know, mine already started. So what we'll do is we'll continue taking this down
Let me see if I get
like
smear
that.
on the bottom.
So make sure it goes down to about where this foot ends, so about right there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish this leg, back leg, but I'm gonna start it up pretty high up here, up in the top area of this body, because this part is where the tail of the body is, and this part is where the back of the leg is, okay?
It's a big back leg.
I know. So I'm gonna start somewhere up here, and I'm gonna work my way down, 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 down.
That's how long the leg is?
Yeah, that's pretty
Wow.
long. It's pretty long.
Like,
So you start like, yeah, like right up there a little bit.
that's really
And then work
high.
your way down, 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 curve down to the same where that
I
one.
need to know where.
Still
where
about
that
like
is.
right there. So a little bit lower, I would say like right there. Because you want it to be lower than this part, right? So that you can make that backward C shape. And then now what we can do is we can finish off that leg by rounding it out with the backward C shape. So we're gonna grab that and make that C shape. Okay. And then let's finish off with our last leg, okay? For that, I'm gonna start somewhere back here. I'm gonna make that curve that goes down.
The longest curve?
Yeah, the longest curve. So I'm gonna go all the way down.
Up to here, maybe.
And then we'll make the shortest curve, so make some space here and run another line, a curvy line that's parallel to that, but end
I
it,
think this is the shortest leg.
okay? And then let's make that backward C curve to connect, to finish off the foot, okay? Okay, and we're almost done. Now let's finish off with the tail. So with the tail, I'm just gonna continue on with this shape, and I'm just gonna follow this shape. So first I'll make a rounded curve here that goes in like that. See how I made that kind of a upside down U shape. Yep. And now that we made that curve in, now we're just gonna follow the same shape and go like that to connect it. Ta-da! Now, right now it looks more like a cat, right? It doesn't really look like a cheetah yet.
Maybe we could add some
Some spots? Yes. So if we add some spots, I think it's going to start looking more and more like a cheetah. So for the spots, you can make round shapes. You can make kind of like blobby shapes. You know, just have fun with it. I'm going to start with the face. So I'm just going to make like a blobby shape that kind of goes like that. And another one that goes like this. We'll just start together, and then we can, of course, continue on making these shapes the way we want to make them. Because with the face, there's not that much room, so I'm just making them connect towards the side of the face. So they're more like these C shapes. Okay, and then go ahead and continue with the rest of the body, but leave these belly parts empty, so no spots here, okay? So only spots on the body part, okay? And so go ahead and add like different kind of shapes, some that are actually like C shapes, which are along the edge of the body.
C for cheetah.
C for cheetah. And then other shapes, and make them bigger, some smaller, different kind of polka dots. They don't have to be perfect because all these spots that they have are just different types of spots, right? Some look...
Be like... Ew, this is a kind of a blob too.
You can make a heart blob. Yep, you can make all kinds of different blobs.
Ooh.
Or spots, we call them.
Now what do I want to do?
Keep going because you still have on the legs, all these different legs also.
Oh. So cool. I'm done.
You're done? Oh my goodness. You have such a cute cheetah with hearts. And you know, that's the thing. You can actually do whatever shapes you want. You can make heart shapes like Lila did here. You can make triangles, whatever shape you want. Oh, you know what? One thing I forgot, and you actually did it correctly. Right here on the tail, let's go ahead and cut off this part. And if you didn't do it, that's okay. I'm just gonna color this part of the tail a different color than the rest of the body. Because that's one thing I noticed that some cheetahs have is a different kind of tail color.
Because I just remembered.
You remember that?
I saw one of your pictures.
You saw, yeah. And then let's keep going with these spots. And let's see, I'll do one more spot here. Okay, one more thing that we want to add to our cheetahs is on the feet here, they have claws.
Yep.
They have sharp fingernails. So for that, I'm just going to make these kind of like curvy lines, dashed lines like that. I'll make 2. You can make 3 if you want or more.
Yeah, and it's like...
Yeah. Make a few more polka dots here. Okay, and that's it. That's our happy cheetah. You can, of course, add more details to your cheetah. Cheetahs maybe have, maybe you can make a small little baby cheetah. You can make a background area with some leaves, some grass. Yeah, so have fun with this. We're gonna start coloring ours in. Why don't you color yours in and then come back and see how we finished. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go. our finished cheetahs. And Lila, looks like you colored your spots in black. I did mine more brown color. They look pretty similar, but I like how yours is just so different, you know? Everything we do is similar but different. And that's the cool thing about this. And we'd love to see how your drawings turn out as well. So please take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And we really hope you enjoyed this. And also please check out our other animal drawing tutorials. So the next letter is gonna be letter D. Follow along with us for that, but you can also go back and see what we did for the first 2 letters. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.